Hello everyone and welcome. Today, I will be guiding you through the top 5 search engine optimization tools that are essential for improving your website's visibility and ranking in search results. Let's dive in and explore these powerful resources. Our first tool is Google Analytics. It is a free web analytics platform. With this tool, you can track your website's performance. Some of the key features include traffic analysis and user behavior insights, conversion tracking and goal setting, and real-time data monitoring to see what's happening on your site right now. Next up, we have SEMrush. It is an all-in-one digital marketing toolkit designed for SEO professionals. Some of its notable features are keyword research and tracking capabilities, competitor analysis tools to see what others are doing, and site audit and backlink analysis to improve your site structure and authority. Our third tool is Ahrefs. It is a comprehensive backlink analysis and SEO research platform. Ahrefs boasts the world's largest backlink database. You can use it for Site Explorer and rank tracking, and content gap analysis to discover what topics you should be covering. Tool number 4 is Moz Pro, an SEO software suite known for its domain authority metrics. Key features include domain authority scoring, search engine results page analysis and tracking, and on-page optimization tools to fine-tune your content. Last but not least, we have Screaming Frog. It is a website crawler for technical SEO analysis. It offers complete website crawling, technical SEO audits, and broken link detection to ensure your site is fully functional and search engine friendly. Why should you use these SEO tools? First, you get data-driven insights enabling you to make informed decisions with comprehensive analytics and performance metrics. Second, they help boost rankings by optimizing content and technical elements to improve search engine visibility. Third, you get competitor analysis and understand their strategies. Fourth, you save time by automating SEO audits and monitoring tasks for efficient workflow. Thank you for watching. I hope this overview of the top 5 search engine optimization tools has been helpful. We covered Google Analytics, SEMrush, Ahrefs, Moz Pro, and Screaming Frog. So start optimizing your website today with these powerful SEO tools. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.